Eager to make your photos stand out like never before? Welcome back to 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Today we're diving deeper into the art of boudoir photography. I will show you how to shoot amazing boudoir photos, from posing to light, camera settings and retouching the photo. So let's get started. Today's pose is perfect for sensually and strikingly showcasing our client's bum. It's a favorite among our clients and models who love their look in their photos. And it's super easy to execute. We simply ask our model to kneel in front of the bed, placing her knee closer to the light source, nearer to the bed, and the other knee slightly back. Our light source is once again our beautiful large windows, and we shoot with natural light. The elbows and upper body are placed on the bed, ensuring the torso, neck and head are upright, and our model looks forward. Lastly, I ask her to point her toes and rotate her pelvis backward as much as possible. Camera settings, since we're working with side lighting, almost like backlighting, and I want to protect the highlights and white points, I shoot with an aperture of f1.8, shutter speed is at 1/200 of a second, and the ISO set at 100. Master the art of boudoir photography with our free posing guide. Download our app now and get access to exclusive posing tips and tricks. Your journey to stunning photos begins here. We start by editing the photo, by brightening the photo by just about 2 stops. Next, I select one of our lovely presets available in our app. These help you manage essential basics like sharpening, noise reduction and lens corrections, and create stunning visual style. To add more contrast, I reduce the shadows by 50 before adjusting the upright and cropping. In this case, I want to feature prominently, yet provide enough context. As always, photo editing is a creative process. Not quite satisfied, I revisit the presets and opt for a slightly rougher look. To ensure the skin looks beautifully smooth, I use a color range filter and reduce the texture by 50, adjusting the filter to only affect the desired areas. A final tweak on the crop and our stunningly beautiful boudoir photo is complete. Thank you for joining us on 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Don't forget to tune in for the next episode and another fascinating pose. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. See you next time.